The most important thing about maintenance is knowing the machine. Pair of hands, anyone can go to locker and kiss it, but it's not gonna make it better.
My job is head of deployment, which means I'm in charge of making sure that lockers, being indoors or outdoors, are being deployed. So this involves a lot of moving parts. So we have a department which is dedicated to planning.
All they're doing is calling the location and just telling, okay, this is the schedule we can propose, and they will do the routing for the trucks, so that the trucks can have like the best routing. What we currently do in terms of SLA is when the contract is signed, in 24 hours, we pick up the phone and book an appointment. So that there is absolutely no gap between, oh, I've signed this contract, I don't know what happened, okay? They're reassured.
A year ago, we used to deploy a little bit more or less 30 lockers per week, I think. And now we're deploying nearly 100 lockers per week.
In operations, it's impossible to have, and it's quite a red herring to go after like control, because things will happen and can be out of your control. Your truck can blow a tire and you can't do anything about it.
Voilà, tous les jours sont différents les uns des autres. Il n'y a pas de routine dans ce travail.
Je vais les aborder de différentes manières. Auquel cas on doit s'adapter. Il va falloir qu'on passe des appels, qu'on échange par mail, ou alors des fois qu'on puisse un peu sortir notre solution d'un chapeau magique.
So currently about 90% of the locations are installed within 2 weeks. And one of the smartest decisions I would say we've made into scaling is investing in tools. We learned things the hard way. We build processes as manually and as scrappy as we could. And we literally took all that knowledge base and we automated it. And we put it in a tool and we build intelligence around it and we automated it as much as we can.
Now I would say 5 to 10 minutes is enough for me to activate the locker and do all the configuration in the back office.
Big challenge for us is to ensure that we have enough stock everywhere, because like you see, we are moving fast, very fast.
We also needed a tool that will count our inventory, spare parts inventory, so that they can use the spare parts in their tickets. We needed a tool that can create like procedures for technicians to follow.
Again, why is maintenance important? Imagine your Christmas gift is locked in a locker and you cannot access it. Okay? This is every single day is a Christmas when you receive a present. And that's really the beauty of locker, right? And if you cannot open it, you're very frustrated. That experience of receiving something that brings you joy becomes frustration. And I think this is the main goal that we work with. This is how do we get the parcels to the clients as quickly as possible. And that's really the promise that we have, right? So for major issues, our SLA is 24 hours. Okay, we got a call at 9 a.m. on Thursday, Friday, 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Person can come and collect the parcel. And we do this all across France for 2,000 lockers, and we're scaling that to 6,000, 10,000, 15,000 lockers, I hope. And we want to maintain the promise. We have a centralized support team in Portugal that has expertise on the latest in the locker industry, and the oldest, because we have those. And when we go to the interventions, we can pull up exactly what the problem is. And the message I'd like to send is, like, you don't need to do this on your own. You don't need to have in-house people that do everything for you, okay? This is what we offer. We offer an end-to-end service. We can build the lockers, we can manage the relationship with your location partners, we can help you install and build and bring lockers anywhere in speedy time, and then help you maintain it. We want to create the model that we've created in France, and we want to bring this to the rest of Europe, maybe the rest of the world. I'm quite confident we can accomplish this. Bloq has all the elements to create a scalable business and really build an expertise in helping companies build, grow, and maintain their networks.